Hi, I'm Vincent. To help you choose wisely, today I'll quickly recommend 3 of the best 3 S Lipo for the Arma Infraction 3 S Perfect for upgrading and replacing your stock pack. Pack 1. The Lipo delivers strong acceleration and stable high current output for the Infraction. Its hard case ensures durability, and it lasts up to 200 charge cycles. Pack 2. The Lipo extends Infraction's runtime while delivering incredible power. Its high-voltage design and 120C discharge rate make it a bashing beast. Pack 3. The Lipo delivers solid runtime and power at a budget-friendly price, making it a great choice for those seeking performance without overspending.